As hub. Today I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from exercise 3.2, chapter 3, matrix and NCERT 12 mathematics. That question is question number 21. First of all, I shall take question number 21, exercise 3.2. Here it is written direction equal to assume x, y, z, w and p are matrices of orders 2 cross n, comma 3 cross k, comma 2 cross p, comma 3 cross n cross 3 and p cross k respectively. Choose the correct answer in question number 21 and question number 22. Now come out to question number 21 here, equal to the restrictions on n, comma k and p so that py plus wi will be defined are option A, k equal to 3, comma p equal to n. Option B, k is arbitrary, comma p equal to 2. C, option C, p is arbitrary. D, k equal to 2, p equal to 3. Now come out to solution of question number 21 here. Solution question number 21 I shall write here, equal to here the restriction of n, k, p so that py plus wi will be defined as there are 4 options available here. Out of the 4 options, one option is correct. You have to decide which one is correct for the question number 21 here. So here you can see this identity is given here. So here I shall write given that py plus wi where p, y, w are different matrices. Py plus wi where p, y, w are different matrices. So here it is given the order of the matrix P. So here I shall write the order of the matrix P imply that the order of the matrix P, it is given. The order of the matrix P, you can see this one respectively this P is related to P into K. This is last P here available, this one is also last. So the order of the matrix P will be this one respectively what is written here. So the order of the matrix P will be P cross K, then the order of Y will be the order of the matrix Y imply that here you can see the order of the matrix Y. This is second matrix, first matrix, second matrix, third matrix, fourth matrix, third matrix. So the order of the matrix Y will be from here you count first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Here first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. The order of the matrix will be this one, 3 into k, second one. Here because y, the position of y here at second, here the position of respectively, position of y will be 3 cross k. Therefore, the order of the matrix y will be 3 cross k. And here it is given the order of the y. Here I shall write the order of the matrix, the order of the matrix W. The order of the matrix W. So now find out the position of W here. From here count first position, second position, third position, fourth position. W is, the matrix W is available here at fourth position. So from here you will count respectively order of the matrix W, first position, second position, third position, fourth position. So here W, the matrix W is there at fourth position. Here respectively the position of W will be order 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the order of the matrix W will be n into 3. N into 3 it will become 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one correct. From y 1, 2, 3 into k, 1 to y. For p, fifth position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, p into k. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 p available. So now you have got the orders of all matrices P, Y, W mentioned here. Then what we will do here? Here take the position here Py. Imply that I can write, take the term here Py. Py. So here you can see the matrix P is going to be multiplied to matrix Y. Here you can say, since here you can see the matrix P is multiplied to matrix Y. Hence, the order of the matrix will be the same as the order of the matrix Y. So here I can write, imply that the order of matrix P, the order of matrix P, here is equal to P cross K. The order of matrix P here is P cross A. Hence the order of matrix Y will be, here you can see the matrix P is multiplied to matrix Y. The multiplication of two matrices will be possible when the order of matrix P will be the same as the order of the matrix Y. That is not correct. But here the theorem is that when two matrices, the matrix P and matrix Y is multiplied here, the multiplication is possible when the number of columns of matrix P is equal to number of rows of matrix Y. So here you can see I have written here, hence the order of the matrix Y you have got here 3 into K. So here same thing I have written here. The order of the matrix P, the order of the matrix I have written here P into K. Second one I have written the order of the matrix Y 3 into k. The order of matrix Y I have written 3 into k. Here you can see the matrix P is multiplied to matrix Y. When the multiplication of two matrices P and Y will be possible when the number of columns of the matrix P is equal to number of rows of matrix Y. So here I shall write the theorem for understanding purpose. P dot Y is possible when the number of columns in matrix P equal to number of rows in matrix Y. The multiplication of two matrices P and Y will be possible when the number of columns in the matrix P is equal to number of rows in matrix Y. So here you can see the number of, here I can write very well, implied that the number of columns in matrix P. So here you can see the order of the matrix P is P cross K. Then the number of columns in matrix P will be K. So here I shall write K equal to number of rows in matrix Y. So I shall take here matrix Y. The order of the matrix Y is 3 cross K. Then the number of rows in matrix Y will take from this. This is the number of rows. So you can write here K equal to 3. You have got. So you have got one question K equal to 3. So where you have to judge which option is correct. Here you can say K equal to 3 is available. Here you can say K is arbitrary, P equal to 3. P is arbitrary, K equal to 2, P equal to 3. So here you have got K equal to 3. This means that option this one is correct. Moreover, you have to prove this one P equal to n. So how P equal to n will be available here? Here you can see the order of the matrix Py will be the same as the order of the matrix Wi. So here I shall write the order of the matrix Py equal to the order of the matrix Wi. The order of the matrix Py equal to order of the matrix Wi. Here you can see the order of the matrix Py equal to order of the matrix Wi will be possible. Both will be equal. Why? Because here plus sign is there. Two matrices Py and Wi will be added together when the order of the both matrices will be the same. That's why I have written. So here you can see the order of the matrix Py. Find out the order of the matrix Py. The order of the matrix Py will be you can judge from here. Matrix P is multiplied to matrix Y. This one has order this one, this one. This is P, this is Y. So both will be projected together. So you will get here the order of the matrix P. The order of the matrix P. The order of the matrix P you have got here P cross K equal to order of the matrix Wi. Order of the matrix Wi you have to find out. The order of the matrix Wi. N equal to 3. So you have here N equal to 3. Here you can see the order of the matrix Py will be P cross K equal to N equal to 3, and that basis you will judge very well, imply that P equal to N and K equal to 3 you will get. So the order of the matrix Py equal to order of the matrix Wi, then addition of two matrices Py and Wi will be possible. The order will be correct. Now you have to find the order of the matrix Py. The order of the matrix Py, so here you can see order of the matrix, this one P into K, the order of matrix Y 3 into K. Multiplication is possible when Py is possible when number of columns is P, number of columns P, the number of columns you can see this is K, a number of rows Y 3, K equal to 3 it will be possible, multiplication possible. So then जो है here the order of matrix Py will be P cross K. This is the order of matrix P. Here you have got order of matrix Y 3 cross K. This one will be equal. This one will be K equal to 3 it will become, you have got this one. Then multiplication will be possible here. Then the order of matrix Py will be P cross K. This is correct. This one is correct, very well. P cross K it will become, because this one number of columns of the matrix P will be equal to number of rows in matrix Y. So K equal to 3 it will become. But the order of matrix Py will be P cross K. So you have got here P cross K equal to order of the matrix Wi. So you have to judge here. You can write the order of the matrix W. You have got here N equal to 3. The order of the matrix Y. You have got here 3 into K. The number of columns in the matrix W is equal to number of rows in matrix Y. This one will be equal. The order of the matrix Wi will be N equal to K. So you will get here N equal to K. The same thing I have written, you will get here N equal to K. N equal to K will write here N equal to K. N equal to K will write. So on this basis, you will get. On this basis, you will get here N equal to K you got. On this basis, here you can see this is second position, this is second position. But here imply that you can write P equal to N. You can write very well P equal to N. This means that P equal to N, this option A is correct here. Because the order of the matrix Wi will be N equal to K it will become. Because the order of the matrix W is N equal to 3. And the order of the matrix Y equal to 3 into K, 310. The number of columns of the matrix W equal to number of rows in matrix Y. Then Wi will be possible here. So these three will be equal So the order of the matrix Wi will be n equal to k. It will become n equal to k. So here written this one both equal because compare this one because equal to sign is available. So this one equal to, you will get here p equal to n. So now value have got k equal to 3, p equal to n you have got. This means that the option A is correct answer. So here I shall write hence the option A k equal to 3 p equal to n is the correct answer. You can erase. This is the rough work. This is the option A is the correct answer. This is the complete solution of question number 21, exercise 3.2